You see the use of Jamaican proverbs or sayings. They play an important role in communicating messages by Jamaicans, you know. Yes, man. They are often injected into everyday conversations, and they are very handy when one needs to summarize an emotion or a particular situation, you know, getting right to the point, the only way that Jamaicans can. Yeah, man. And there is always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, you know, it's how you say it too.